Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Can you please turn on your camera, everyone? Hello everyone. Good afternoon. You all are welcome in today's workshop of Toran making from the Edumator family. Edumator High School welcomes you all in this paper Toran workshop, everyone. So hello ladies, good afternoon. So are you all ready for today's workshop? Okay. Okay, let's wait for others for 2 minutes more. Then we will start our workshop of Toran making. Okay. So just wait for other ladies to join in a few minutes. Okay, everyone. So once again, I welcome everyone present in this session from the Edumator High School family. I welcome you all in today's workshop of Toran making. So come on, mothers, show me your thumbs up if you all are ready today in this workshop. Okay. So are you all excited? So today's chance it's the chance to talk with the mothers actually. So are you all ready, mothers? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so come on, let's start our session with a warm up. Okay. So let's start the warm up session, everyone. Okay. So this is a warm up session for all the mothers that we are going to do it like the child today, right? We start our session with a warm up. So let's start. So what you all do have to do that I am going to say the action word, right? I am going to say the action word.
Excuse me, ma'am, sound nahi hai. Did not get. You are not audible to us.
Everyone else are able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please check your connection. Everyone else are able to hear my voice. So please check your connection. Okay. So let's play the warm-up session. I am going to say the action words. You all are going to act on that, right? So if I say your head, right? So you have to touch your head. Okay, everyone? So let's play. Touch your head, everyone. Touch your nose. Raise your right hand. Pull your ears like a child. Pull your ears like a child. Yes. Very good, all mothers. Okay. Now roll your hands. Come on, everyone. Roll your hands. Very good. Now roll your hands faster. Faster, everyone, mothers. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Give me high five, every mothers. Come on. Yes. So let's start the session now, everyone. So I hope you all are having the resources with you, which I have asked you to arrange. I have asked you to arrange some sheets, right? So all are having the sheets with them. Okay, so let's begin. So what we are going to make with the sheets, that first I have some sample of the flowers. See, so we are going to make the flowers like this. Okay, so we all are going to make these flowers with the help of these sheets. So let's begin to make these flowers, everyone. Okay. So before we start, so take out your ruler, right? We need ruler scale.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ತೂತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಲೋಟ
A scale, and you have to make a square. You have to cut the square in 12 into 12 centimeters, right?
ಸರಿ ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ನಾಳೆ ಕಿಟಕಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಕಿಟಕಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾಳೆ
And
ತೊಳ್ದು
just cut the squares. We need lot of squares, right? So just cut, and in each flower we need 4 squares.
ಹಾ
In each flower we need 4 squares, right?
The squares have to be of equal sizes.
Yes, all squares are the size. We can take the size 12 into 2. All the sides take 12 centimeters,
Okay.
right? So all the squares are of equal size. So we need, in every flower, in this flower, we required 4 squares, right? So in each flower, so at least we are going to make 6 to 7 flowers. At least first cut. So just learn the technique how we make the flower, right? Then you can do it later on. So just cut at least 8 squares right now. Just cut the 8 squares, just like this.
With any color, ma'am, or one particular color?
Any color of your choice you can take, any color. It must be vibrant, so it looks like it look beautiful. If it is the vibrant color, it looks beautiful then.
Okay.
Kishmi madam, we have to cut 4 square.
Yes.
Or
Yes, in every flower में, एक flower में हमको 4 squares लगेंगे, right?
okay, एक flower में 4 square चाहिए.
Yes, one flower में हमें 4 squares लगेंगे, तो at least हमें पूरी तोरण बनाने के लिए हमें 6 flowers तो चाहिए, right? And you also have to be little bit quick, right? Because
12 centimeter into 12 centimeter.
Yes, all the sides of a square are of 12 centimeter, right? Because all the sides of the square are equal, so 12 centimeter.
Hill number. The hill number. जल्दी और पेपर ला.
Yes.
12 centimeter, both sides.
All the sides, ma'am. All the sides. The sides of the square, ma'am, equal होते हैं, right? सारे sides square के equal होते हैं. तो हमें scale से, अगर बड़ा scale है तो
So small scale वाले small scale. It is small scale, yes, small scale.
small scale है तो
It is
सारे
small
मैम
scale, yeah.
सारे 12 सेंटीमीटर के होंगे, राइट? सारे साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर के आपको मेजर करके इट मस्ट बी इक्वल. I hope you all are able to do it.
Ma'am, how many squares?
मैम इन ईच फ्लावर, मैम एक फ्लावर में हमें 4 स्क्वायर्स लगेंगे मैम. इन ईच फ्लावर, इन वन फ्लावर वी नीड 4 स्क्वायर्स, राइट? तो एक फ्लावर में हमें 4 स्क्वायर्स लगते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइज ऑफ योर तोरण, you at least you need 6 squares, ma'am. Oh, 6 flowers. So accordingly you can cut it. If you're making 7 flowers, it according to the size of the you're making for the dough, so take it accordingly.
मैम 12 सेंटीमीटर के 4 कार्ड्स बनाने ना.
मैम 4 स्क्वायर. ओके,
यस मैम.
ये स्क्वायर है, चारों
यस
साइड
मैम.
12 सेंटीमीटर चाहिए. और जो
Yes.
एक फ्लावर है मैम, जैसे अभी मैंने रेडी करके रखे हैं मैम फ्लावर्स, जैसे ये सारे
Okay.
फ्लावर, ठीक है? तो एक फ्लावर में हमें ऐसे 4 स्क्वायर लगेंगे.
ओके.
तो एक फ्लावर 4 स्क्वायर लगे हैं. तो एटलीस्ट मैंने यहाँ बना के रखे हैं 1 2 3 4 5. तो एटलीस्ट मुझे 20 स्क्वायर्स लगे थे.
ओके. ओके. 12 मैम.
20.
Okay.
And we are going, I'm going to make more than 5. मैम जितने भी फ्लावर्स आप बना रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको कट करना है ना. हर एक
Ma'am, I have done with one color, 4 papers.
Okay, you
So can I use another color for another flower?
Not ma'am. If you are ma'am, it depends on your creativity also. I'll just give you the technique how we are going to make. If you want to add more colors, if you're if you're taking one color orange rose and one color of other rose, right? So you
Yes,
can
ma'am. I
take,
have to. I want to do like that.
you can take, you can use your imagination. You can use your imagination also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Your creativity, imagination in that. Everybody can use your imagination also. I'll just give you the technique how we are going to make the flowers and how we are going to arrange on the toran. Okay, so everyone are free to use their imagination and creativity how you are going to make it. I am having another flower also. I'll just show it to you. Give me a moment. Right? So if you want to arrange this kind of flower, like I'm having pink and orange one. So if you want to one color and the other colors, you can do it accordingly.
ये संभाल कर रख दो, ये संभाल कर रखो। हाँ, ये रोटी चावल रेडी वो बनाते हैं मैडम। डन।
You can cut 3-4 squares together. Just fold your sheet, right? Just fold your sheet and you.
ऐसे बता। मैडम हो गया, ये हो गया। हिंदी में बोलो जाते हैं। और ये टीचर फुल बनाएंगे दीदी, फुल टीचर सिखा रही दीदी को। दीदी बनाएगा फुल, मामा एक बनाएगा, दीदी 2 बनाएगा। यस रेडी।
ये मेरे दीदी का पिंक है।
क्या भाई?
मैडम।
Yes, dear.
मैडम।
Done.
Done. Okay, so how many squares have you cut?
12.
Okay, 12 squares.
12.
Okay. So all the mothers got your squares? Got the squares, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, mothers, please, it's a request to turn on your camera so that I can see how you're making it. If you're committing any mistakes, so I can just inform you for that. So can you please turn on your camera? Okay, if you all are ready with your squares, so let's begin to make the flowers now. So just learn the technique and you will use your imagination to make your toran according to your choice, right? We will just learn the technique of making the flowers. Come on, show me a thumbs up, everyone. If you all are done with the squares, so let's begin to make the flowers now. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll do it later on. Actually, I had some guests at my place, so I couldn't arrange things. So I'm just learning right now. I'll do it later.
Okay, sure. No problem. Okay, so just we will move now. Okay, so I am also having 4 squares with me. So we need 4 squares for each flower, right? So let's learn to make the flowers. First step in making the flowers. So this is the square, right? Just turn it like this. Turn like this and make a triangle. Just fold it. Fold it, everyone. Just make a triangle. Take a triangle like this. This is the first fold, right? This is the first fold, right? Now one more fold is there. See everyone, another fold, we are going to fold it again. There are 3 folds in this, right? And again fold it. One more fold is there, right? So it becomes like this. Okay, so for rest of the squares, you have to do the same thing. For the rest of the 2 squares, right, for one flower, you have to do the same thing. So just quickly do the same thing for the other squares as well. Okay, for the rest 3 squares, we have to do the same thing. So just do the same steps with the next squares, with the other square. Okay. And if you miss the step, I'll just do it again for you. Right? So there are 3 folds in every square. There are 3 folds. This is first one. This is the second fold. And this is the third fold. Just ready with these 4 things. And this is you will carry on for the next flowers also. The complete flowers, right, you can make using this step only. In every flower, there are 4 squares and you have to do the same thing with all these 4 flowers. My all 4 squares are now folded. I hope you also have done. Sabka ho gaya hoga, ma'am. Right? Okay. All are done with these 4 things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move forward to the next step?
How many?
No, madam.
triangles?
No, I just made it. Madam, please repeat. Didn't see.
Yes.
The pink. Please repeat it. I made the 4 triangle, then thereafter pink color.
So till
Yeah,
this is-
I have done. We have done up to this 4 just like triangle. Yeah, these are 4. Okay.
Okay. So now let's move forward, everyone. Okay, so we all are done with this thing. Now, in every this triangle, first keep it like this. Just keep it on the floor like this. I'll just show you how. If you are able to see me, give me a moment. I'll just show you. You have to just, right, make the petal here. We have to make the shape here. I'll just show you how we are going to make it.
Eraser it in. Eraser it.
Yeah.
See this? We have to make this shape. Now, after this, we need to cut this shape, right? You only need to make a curve here, right? On the top. Okay, everyone, just make the curve like this, right? You all have to make a curve on every triangle, right?
This curve has to be there, excuse me, this curve has to be there at the closing end. Which side should the curve cover?
Yes.
No, which side the curve has to be there? As in the triangle opens up like this. Can you please open the
Yes.
The close side, the close side.
close?
From the
Close
closed
side.
side, right?
Oh.
It is the closed side of the triangle, right? And this is the open side. So just keep it like this on, keep it like this. It should be like this when you keep on the floor now, just for making this shape. So you just need to keep it like this. I'll just show you how we are going to keep it. Give me a moment.
कहाँ गए वो सब? जहाँ पे क्लोज साइड है उसमें बनाना है, वो सीखना चाहिए वो खोलने के समय। जहाँ बंद है ना वो थोड़ी बनानी है, बंद है ना, बंद है।
Keep it like this on the floor.
अरे कहाँ गए? दे दो, चार होना है, चार फोर होना है, दिया एक दे दो, ये बनाना है।
मैम
Yes.
मैम
ये नहीं, पिंक से
ये सही है।
Give me a moment.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Continue.
मैम
Yes, this is my thing, right?
मैम ये
ये फुल बनाया ना, देख पिंक एक दो।
Show me, ma'am. Show me the name
Ready?
of the screen. Okay, so we have to make the shape on all the triangles, right?
This is right now. Is it correct now?
Correct. And you all need to cut from here, right? Like this. Let me show you how we are going to cut it. We are going to cut it from here, right? We have to cut it from here, right? See this. We have to keep a triangle like this, and you have to make a shape in between here at the center, right? Just keep your triangle like this, and just keep the pattern in between the triangles, right? Now we all need to cut it, right? So just cut it now. Right, so we after cutting we got this.
मैम दिस इज राइट।
Yes. Little bit more curve is needed, ma'am. It is look like flat, right? थोड़ा सा flat दिख रहा है ना आपका, इसको थोड़ा सा और curve कर लीजिए, है ना? थोड़ा सा और look आएगा, मैम, है ना? You need to do the same thing, everyone. You know, need to do the same thing with all the triangles. So make the next one.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you repeat?
What you want me to repeat, ma'am? This how to cut it?
No, ma'am. After that.
Yes, मैम, इसके बाद अभी मैंने नहीं बताया, मैम, अभी हमको सिर्फ ये कट करके रखना है,
Okay.
है ना? अभी सारे mothers कर लें, फिर then we proceed to the next one.
Ma'am, I'm done. Once look at this, please.
Yes, show me. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, correct, Myra.
क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं? क्या कर रहा हूँ?
मधीचे प्रकरण
मम्मी ये आपका पेपर, ये आपका पेपर है? मैम
मन पैटर्न चाहिए
सच्ची बताओ ना यार। हाँ मम्मी आपका पेपर है मम्मी?
हाँ, खराब करके तो बोले क्या?
I hope you all cut all the triangles. Let's move forward now, everyone. And if you open, right?
मैम
That,
look at मैम
yes, very good. Correct.
इसका रिमोट का है अपने आप चल रही है?
You can open this one. Only one triangle. Just open only one pattern.
मैम
You will get confused. Okay. So only open one, right? Don't open all the flowers. Just open one, right?
हाँ क्या?
What you need to do next, right? Just close it and just slightly cut from the bottom, right? We have to cut this bottom side. So let's cut it now, right? We have to cut it this like this. Okay. And oh, now open it. You will get a hole here in at the center, right? Now cut only one petal from this flower. From this flower, you have to cut one petal. You have to cut completely.
ऐसे फ्लावर बनता मम्मी?
So one petal. We have cut one petal.
मम्मी
Everyone cut one petal from it. Right? Yes, correct, Myra. Yes, correct. Okay, cut the one petal and preserve it, right? Don't throw it because we are going to use this petal. Okay, keep it aside. Keep one petal aside. Now, what you are going to make, what you are going to, just if you are having pen,
खाना तो खाओ, खाना ही सर भेज दीजिए।
pencil or any thin, if you're having paintbrush, if you're having pencil also, what we are going to do, we are going to just see this. You're going to just roll it. Keep your pencil here. Keep your pencil here. Just roll the paper. It will end like this. Right? You have to do with all the petals, right? Just keep your thing inside on the top and just roll the paper.
और नहीं है क्या?
Right? आपको petals दिख रही है? सबको petals दिख रही है, tilts हो रही है, तो हमको यहाँ से roll करना है, right? We have to roll this. We have to all the petals are going to be still now. Right now look like this. Right? यहाँ पीछे से ये ऐसा दिखेगा. राइट अब हमें पेस्ट कहाँ से करना है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नो दिस, राइट। अब यहाँ से जो पेटल मुड़ी हुई है पीछे के साइड, यहाँ से आपको फ्लैट दिख रहा है, तो ये आपको पोर्शन इस तरह से पेस्ट करना है कॉर्नर, ये वाला पोर्शन पीछे साइड रहेगा, बेंड साइड जो पेटल्स बेंड है ये पीछे साइड रहेगा, और यहाँ से हमको यहाँ पे ग्लू अप्लाई करके, अप्लाई सम ग्लू, so let's apply glue over here, right, and in the corner पे हम ग्लू अप्लाई करेंगे थोड़ा सा, और बिल्कुल कॉर्नर से ही हमें पेस्ट करना है, ठीक है, कॉर्नर से ही हमें थोड़ा सा पेस्ट करना है, right? है ना, पेस्ट कर दीजिए और उसे साइड में रख दीजिए। अब I hope everyone done till this step. Let it dry, keep it aside now. Keep it aside. We are done with this. We are done with this. Now take the other one. Take the other one. Yes, very good, Umaira. Correct. Correct, Manisha. Correct. Correct, Divya. Correct, Riyanshi. Correct. Correct. I hope all are able to do it. Yes, correct. We have done it correct. Now let's move forward. Let's pick the next one. Let's pick the next one, and again we need to cut the bottom side. Again we need to cut the bottom side. Let's pick the next petal and cut from the bottom side and cut it. Cut the bottom side and open it. Just open it. And in the first flower, in this we have cut only only one petal, right? सिर्फ हमने one petal cut करी थी, इसमें हमें two petals like this, right? इसमें से मैं petal करूंगी, right? हमने first flowers में से one petal cut करी थी, इसमें से मैंने दो petal cut करी है,
बना रहे ना,
right? इसमें से दो petals cut करी है. And keep it aside. We are going to use this, right? We are going to use this. And to do this, we have to fold the ends, right? Fold the ends with the help of this or pencil, right? We have to fold the ends. Give up a just fold it from the ends. Okay, so the same thing we have to do, we have to paste it, right? We have to paste it. This flowers is little bit small because we have cutted two petals. हमने two petals cut ये flowers, right? So apply some glue over here at the end. Right, थोड़ा सा glue apply करेंगे. And we all are going to paste it like this. ये हमारा दूसरा पार्ट बन गया फ्लावर का. I hope you all are done. It is little bit than this, right? Okay, everyone, I hope you all are done till this. Now take the other one. Take the other one. Right, Again, we have to cut it from the bottom. Just cut the bottom part. Everyone just cut the bottom part.
पेंसिल कहाँ है? पेंसिल कहाँ है?
And listen, in this flower, we have to cut 3 petals. We have to cut 3 petals, right?
पेंसिल.
Cut 3 petals now. Right now, I have cutted 3 petals. मैंने 3 petals cut कर दिए. Right now, again we have to fold it. Right, again we have to fold the ends. Just fold your ends. Right, so the again thing, we have to paste it like from here. We have to apply some glue over here at one end. Correct, Humaira, you're doing really well. Right, so now we have to just fold it like this, right? We have to paste it from the end. Just paste it as we have done before, just like that only we have to paste it. Nothing else we have to do, right? So one other pattern is completed. Now one more is left. Now the last one, right? The last one, again, we have to do the same thing, right? The same steps we are going to follow for all the petals. We have to cut the bottom part, right? We have to cut the bottom part, open the flowers. Everyone pay attention. Flashes. Please teach yourself, otherwise you will not understand my voice. So in the last one, we have to cut 4 petals. In this, we are having 8 petals, means half we have to cut, right? 4 petals we have to cut. Just count it and cut the 4 petals. Right, so in this complete flower there are 8 petals. We have to cut the 4 petals, so it almost become half of it. It becomes half of it. Now again we have to fold the ends with the help of pencil. Now again we have to apply some glue over here. And just fold it. It is the smallest one, right? It is the smallest one. Right, it will look like this. So it is the smallest one, right? So we all are done with all the 4 petals, I think, right? And we got the petals which we have cut it from the flowers, right? We have to fold this also. We have to fold this also, right? So the petals we have cut it from the flowers. We are going to do with this all petals. We have to fold it from the ends, right? We have to fold it from the top, and we have to just
देख रही हूँ ना
so just do this step, then we are going to arrange all this, right? So the petals which we have done, so just do the same thing which we have done with all the petals.
खड़ा नहीं, मैंने मैं रख रही हूँ बना, मैं लेती जैसे तो कुछ इच्छा नहीं तो बनाऊं, मैं बना के रख रही हूँ उधर, देखने नहीं दे रही कुछ कैसे बनाया था मैंने, पर मुझे ठाना दे। अब कुछ ले मत, बनाने दे पहले मेरे को जल्दी।
बनाने को दे रहा हूँ, आप ही बना दो ना, बनाने को मैं आपको पूरा दे रही हूँ, आपको पूरा।
रुको रुको, बना के दिखाओ ना फ्लावर।
एक मेरी दीदी के,
हाँ और
नाखून आप ही का है और आपकी है और पापा की है, चाचा की है।
सबके लिए बना रही हूँ। बस चुप हो ठीक जो बेचता हुई।
हम चुप नहीं बैठेंगे। मम्मी ऐसे बहुत सारे फ्लावर बनाने हैं।
So the single petal which we are having, you have to, you're going to face little bit difficulty in folding it, but you can definitely going to do this, right? So just fold it like this. It's a single petal. You just have to fold it like this and just paste it from the ends, right? Just make this cone-like shape. Make the one petal you have to fold like this. Just make a cone of it.
मम्मी ये वाला इसमें ऐड करूँ क्या?
By folding this single petal, because it is
करूँ क्या?
fold it. So just fold it like this.
बड़ा
Fold the single petal like this. I hope all are done.
ग्लू निकालो।
फेविकोल निकाल। फेविकोल।
Done, mother. Okay, let's move to the next step. I hope all are done.
लो। क्या चिपकाना है मम्मी?
ये ग्लू नहीं, ये ग्लू नहीं है, फेविकॉल है, ये नहीं चाहिए। ग्लू है ना, ग्लू जो ये नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए,
दोनों
नहीं नहीं सेम नहीं, वो चाहिए।
मम्मा कौन सा फेविकोल है?
Just make a small circle. Just make a small circle and cut it. Cut it. Just make a small circle.
तो
Right, according to this hole. According to the size of the hole, you have to make the circle, cut it and paste it over here. You have to make a circle. What you have to do? You have paste all the things.
नहीं ये काम
Yeah,
किया
all the material, all the petals.
जैसे मेरे काम में मेरा
दो तीन किया वो सब बैठ
काम है क्या?
Yes. So after pasting all the petals, to make small circle.
मेरे काम वही है
ये काम का है, रुको
And get it
मैं
cut.
बनवा-
One, get it cut. Make a small circle and get it cut.
दोनों मत ऐसे रुको लो
Right. So this is small circle which you have cutted. Where you have to paste it, just apply on the bigger flower. This is the bigger flower among all the flowers which we have made. This is the bigger flower. Where you have to apply the glue, I just show you. Just apply some glue over here, right? And paste the circle over here like this. Paste the circle over here like this. Okay, paste the circle to close it. To give it a base, just paste it. Okay, now you have to take the flower which is smaller than this, not the from which we have cutted only 2 petals, from which we have cutted only 2 petals. First take that one, and from the bottom side, you can see the bottom side. You can see the lines here. Everyone just pay attention. This is a very important step to arranging all the flowers. So this side, right? You can see the lines. You can just give a small cut here to give it a base. छोटा सा कट करना है. See, छोटा सा कट हर लाइन पे करना है. जो आपको लाइन दिख रही है, छोटा सा कट इसमें करना है. To give it a base. When we paste on the base, it can just paste it easily if we cut this. Yes, इसमें मैंने छोटे छोटे से कट कर दिए हैं, तो इसको हम फोल्ड कर सकते हैं, राइट? ये बेस बन जाएगा. इस तरह से हम इसको इस तरह सा बेस दे सकते हैं, राइट? When we cut it. Okay. So how we are going to arrange this? See. Apply some glue over here. Apply some glue over here. Now we are going to arrange in this. Okay, how we are going to arrange? Give me a moment. This is the flower. See everyone. This is the flower, and we are going to just paste it over one another. Just paste it here like this. And just paste with the help of your finger, just paste it. Now take the other one from which we have cutted 3 petals. The next one, again, we have to cut it from the bottom, right? Small cuts we have to make from each line. On each line, you have to make small cuts. आपको नीचे से छोटे छोटे से कट्स लगाने हैं जिससे कि बेस हम बना सकें पेस्ट करने के लिए इस तरह का, राइट? तो ये फोल्ड हो जाएंगे. अगर हम इसे कट कर देंगे तो ये फोल्ड हो जाएंगे, राइट? इसलिए हम यहाँ पे नीचे कट कर रहे हैं. Okay, so just like that, very good, Manisha ji. Again, yes, very good. So just apply some glue and just paste it over here under this, right? And just paste it with the help of your finger, right? It will look like this now. Very good, Irshita. Correct. Very good, Irshita. Okay. Now the next thing, we have to do the same thing with the other one also. Right? Just fold it from the ends and just paste it again. Right? Paste it here under. Just apply some glue. Again, paste the next petal with the help of your finger. Right? Till this step, I hope you all are done. Till this step, I hope you all are done. Right? Now again, this small petal, the two petals, I think this three petals are left, but we are not, one petal is left. इसमें से एक बचेगी ये वाली, जिसमें 4 petals आपको काउंट करके देखोगे तो इसमें से 4 petals वाला एक लेफ्ट होगा, मतलब बचेगा इसमें से, तो we have to keep it aside. It is not of use, right? So the remaining 2 petals, right? The remaining one, the 3 petals are remaining now. This 3 one, these are the very small one. So we are going to just paste like this only, right? So just complete it by pasting all the petals one by one, but don't forget to cut it from the bottom because it will give the base for sticking, right? If you are not cut it from the bottom, it will not stick it properly. It will come out again if you will not cut it from the bottom side. Okay, you have to paste it one another. You have to go in decreasing order. The bigger, the smaller, then the smaller one, smallest one. You have to go in a decreasing order. Very nice, Rishita. Very nice. Your yellow flowers is looking very nice. Very cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice, Divya. White flower. Wow. Very nice, Dikshant. Very nice. Very nice, Riyanshi. I can see the flower in your hand. Very nice. Very nice, Vidita's mother. On the screen, Vidita's mother. Very nice. I can see the flower. Very nice, Ritika. Okay. All are done. Very good, Manisha ji. Very nice, very nice. All had done the great job. Okay, so you all know it takes time. So you can just make the flowers later on. You have to make 6 flowers at least. You need 6 flowers to complete the toran, right? So it takes time. So you can, I hope you all are done till, right? You all can show your flowers all together, right? So we can get the beautiful pictures of yours. So everyone can hold the beautiful flowers in your hand, those who have completed. Very nice, everyone. All have done a great job. Okay. Very nice. Okay. And if you're having any doubt, anyone, if you're having any doubt, you can just ask me in making this flower. In making of this flower, you can just ask me right now so that we can move forward. So we need at least 6 to 7 flowers like this. I have made it before. So we need 6 to 7 flowers, right? So it takes time. So you can do it after. You can make it after the session, right? You can make 6 to 7 flowers. Okay, everyone. And right now, if you're having any doubt in making of this flower, किसी को भी कोई doubt है flower बनाने में, तो वो भी पूछ सकते हैं. We can move forward. Okay. Okay, so I have asked you to arrange the stick. ये stick आपको बोली थी cardboard की arrange करने के लिए. So how many of you are having this stick? You have to cut this cardboard stick, right? You have to take the stick according to the size of the door. Okay, and just take the color of your flower, right? You have to color the strip of the sheet according to the size of your stick, right? Like this. I have cut it before for pasting over it, right? पेस्ट करने के लिए हमें शीट से इसी साइज का पेपर कट करना रहेगा. जिस कलर के हमारे फ्लावर्स हैं, मैम जिस कलर के हमारे फ्लावर्स हैं उसी कलर का हमको ये स्टिक कट करना है. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise, if we take other color strip, it will reflect. Okay, so जो कलर का हमने फ्लावर बनाया है उसी कलर का हमको बेस चाहिए. Okay, and those who are having this base, you can do it, right? You can cut it and just you can paste it over it. You can paste it on the hardboard stick. If you are having right now, just cut it from the sheet and you can just paste it.
This yo. Canchi ka mar blue, canchi de.
Just apply the glue like this. I'm applying the glue and I'm going to paste over it now. According to the size of your heart,
What has to be the width of this strip, the woolen strip that you're talking about? This one.
70 centimeter. You have to take the 70 centimeter, at least 70 meter, or this will more than 3 to 4 centimeter. From this side, you have 3 to 4 centimeter.
फ्लावर होता हम लोग
I have paste, right? You have to paste it like this.
दिवाली की लगाएंगे फ्लावर.
नहीं, दिवाली की बाजार में इतने अच्छे से ये फट जाएगा कि पेपर का है तो. पेपर तो
क्या हुआ? साल बंद क्यों कर दिया आपने?
बस उम्मीद नहीं.
अरे अभी तक चल तो रही थी. हमने जानबूझ के बंद किया।
Okay? इसके पास ये हार्डबोर्ड स्टिक नहीं है, तो इसके बाद हमें हैंगिंग बनानी है, राइट? इसके बाद हमें इस तरह की हैंगिंग बनाएंगे। ओके एवरीवन, so for this we have to take so many circles. हमें बहुत सारे circles की जरूरत पड़ेगी, right? So that you have to make the circles like this, right? And you have to make butterflies. And instead of making butterfly, आप छोटे छोटे flowers का भी design बना सकते हो. You can make the design of the flowers also, right? So you have to make the hangings like this. Okay, it should be in equal size. The thread must be in equal size, right? I am having these. It will be equal in size. See, these are equal in size. Okay, equal in size. So instead of making the butterfly size, you can take your choice of any design. You can choose any design of your choice, right? So just I will show you how we are going to arrange these flowers. So this is our right stick. How many of you are having this cardboard stick? Okay, Manisha is having the cardboard stick.
Ma'am, I don't have a cardboard stick. I'll do the other one which you have shown, the hanging one.
Right, right. So you can just make the threads equal in size, right?
Okay, ma'am.
The threads equal in size. You get the circles cut out. You can take this size of circles, right? You can take this size of circles, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And I'll show you the butterfly also, how we are making the butterfly. If you are going to make the butterfly, right? I'll show you how we are going to make the butterfly. You can just, okay, no problems.
Madam, can you see? I'm ready.
Now and you can do it after the session. Okay, just take this paper.
Madam, I got it. This is flowers. See.
Very nice. Very nice, Riyan. Okay,
I got it.
I'm going to show you how we are going to make the butterfly. Okay, just or you can fold this paper. You can fold this paper. Okay, and here from the closed side, we are going to make a shape. I will which shape we are जिसे भी बटरफ्लाई बनानी है तो प्लीज नोट दिस डिजाइन. ओके, मैंने पेपर लिया है, उसे फोल्ड कर दिया है एंड जो क्लोज्ड साइड था, जो ये क्लोज्ड साइड है, दिस इज द ओपन साइड, राइट? क्लोज्ड साइड से मैंने ये डिजाइन बनाई है. So just those who wants to make the butterfly design, you can just copy this design. I'm just holding for you everyone. Just copy this design if you want to copy this design. Okay.
ನಾನು ಚಕ್ಕಿಂದ
मेरी दामू का butterfly done. Okay, mama ने butterfly done.
बनाने
ओ इसने गम छुड़ा है, जिने अपने गम गवा के हमारा गम छुड़ा है, मम्मा की गम।
Very nice, Vidita. Correct.
जिने अपने गम नहीं।
You have made very big butterfly. Okay. On mute, everyone. I cannot hear the voice of others, those who wants to ask the question. So please mute yourself. Yes, Ritika.
कितने सर्कल बनाने हैं?
Ma'am, according to the hangings, how many hangings you have to put here, right? How many? Right? Please others, mute yourself. So if you want to cover the center part, right? So accordingly, you have to make the hangings, right? And I have attached only one circle, right? And the way which I have attached, right? You have to attach from both the sides. You have to paste 2 circles here. आपको 2 सर्कल पेस्ट करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? क्योंकि अगर ये रोल भी होता है तो गंदा नहीं दिखेगा, क्योंकि दोनों साइड से हम पेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इट विल नॉट लुक बैड इफ यू अटैच फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड्स, राइट? सो हमें 2 सर्कल्स की नीडेड रहेगी 1 हैंगिंग में, राइट? तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, आप कितने हैंगिंग बना रहे हैं. एक हैंगिंग में आपको 2 सर्कल्स लगेंगे and 2 butterflies also, because it is the butterfly like this, right? We can open it. In butterflies also we need 2, right? So it will open like this. Okay. तो जो ये मैंने बटरफ्लाई का शेप बताया है, आफ्टर कटिंग इट, ओके, वी नीड टू कट इट. अब हम इसको कट करते हैं. वी नीड टू कट दिस शेप. राइट? ये हमको फिर ओपन करना रहेगा. ये तो हमारी बटरफ्लाई कंप्लीट हो गई है. ओके, मैं इसकी हैंगिंग बनाना आपको बता देती हूँ कि इसकी हैंगिंग कैसे बनानी है. ठीक है? तो जैसे कि थ्रेड्स मैंने बोले थे, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू द थ्रेड्स व्हिच वी नीड, राइट? इन like this we need the threads, right? Okay, so let's make the hanging now. I'm having the circles with me, right? So this circle, first I'm going to apply the glue on the circle vertically, right? Give me a moment. Right? इस तरह से I have applied the glue on the circle. Now I am going to paste here, right? I am going to paste on the thread, right? Paste कर दिया है मैंने. और इसके ऊपर on above this circle I have to paste one more circle, right? To hide the thread. To hide the thread I am going to paste one more circle, right? So it will not look good, the thread will not appear, right? So it will hide the thread. You can see from both the sides. We cannot see the thread. हमें thread नहीं दिखेगा, right? So just like we have to do for the butterfly as well, right? We have to give the 3D look. We have to give the 3D look to the butterfly, right? So how we are going to do the give the 3D look to the butterfly? Give me a moment. Just take the butterfly. Those who have made the butterfly, okay? So at the bottom side, right? At the bottom side, at the center of this butterfly, you have to apply the glue, not all over the butterfly, only at the center you have to apply the glue. Just paste it here at the bottom side of the thread. Okay, at the bottom side of the thread you have just pasted it, right? And one more butterfly we needed to give a 3D look, right? This is the other butterfly. Just fold it, just fold this butterfly, right? And paste it over the glue, right? Don't paste it completely, just paste it over the glue. So it will give the 3D look. Just paste it from the center only. Just press it from the center only. When it get dry, you can open it, right? When it did get dry, you can open the butterfly, right? It will give the 3D look to our butterfly. See? I hope you can see the 3D look of the butterfly. Am I clear with the hanging? Everyone, show me a thumbs up. Am I clear with the hanging? Okay. Okay, so let's move forward. So our hangings are also completed. Very nice, Riyansh. Correct. Okay. So I'll just show you how I am going to arrange these flowers. We are going to paste the flowers now on the, right? On the cardboard stick, everyone. Okay, so let's start pasting it. I'll just show you. Just apply, we have to apply the glue here from the, right, at the bottom of the flower. And I am going to paste it here like this. Okay, you have to paste it like this. We have to give some time to dry it. Otherwise it will fall down if we are not giving the time to settle down, right? We have to paste it over one another, right? Just paste it here. We have to give some time to dry. Otherwise, all the flowers will fall down if we. You can see I have pasted all the flowers on the stick. I hope it will not fall down because I have just now pasted it. Let me give some moment. See, I have pasted all the flowers. Right? So just like this, everyone, you have to paste your flowers on the stick. So it will look very beautiful if you decorate your door with this toran. So it will definitely going to give a beautiful look of your door. So let me stick the hangings also. I am going to stick the hangings at the center only. You can cover the full stick, right? You can cover the full stick here, right? So I am going to cover only the bottom part. Okay, so let me do for you. Let me stick it. You have to stick from the back side. See, I am going to stick from the back side. Let me stick it, then I'll show you from where I have pasted. And on equal distance also you have to paste it. Otherwise it will not look good if you are pasting unevenly, right? So you have to take one standard gap between all the hangings. If you are taking 5 centimeter, if you're taking 6 centimeters, it totally depends on you, but you have to stick to the distance, right? Don't do like this. If one time you have taken 2 centimeter gap, one time you have taken 3 centimeter gap, so it will not look good. See, see everyone. Okay, one flower has fallen down. You have to wait. When we stick this now, we have to wait. Otherwise, it will fall down like this only. Right? We have to leave them to keep it dry. Okay, otherwise it will fall down again and again. I hope you all have got the concept how I have sticked. Right, everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt you're having? So we have to just stick from the bottom side. Let me show you from the bottom side as well. So we have to just stick from the bottom, from the back side like this. We have to just paste it, apply the glue and just stick one by one. Stick the thread one by one. And I have just pointed, if you able to see, I have just pointed the gap. I have taken the 5 centimeter gap in each hanging, right? So you have to take the measurement very precisely to look good. Okay, I hope, am I clear? I am clear from my side. And if anyone, if you're having any doubt regarding the Torin, give me a moment, ma'am, give me a moment. I'll just give it 2 minutes to dry. Give me a 2 minutes to dry it. Otherwise, all the hangings are falling down. I hope you all have enjoyed this workshop. Show me a thumbs up if you all have learned something from this workshop, and you will surely going to decorate your house on Diwali of your door. It's very nice Toran, beautiful Toran.
We are not only decorating the door, we can also decorate the house walls also.
Yes, you can use your imagination. You can use your walls. You can create something else out of it. These are
That
the
was
flowers.
wonderful session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome, ma'am. It is my pleasure. See, so I hope it is dried. अब नहीं गिरेगी, I think. See.
Yes, ma'am, it's looking very beautiful. We're going to celebrate Mandir, the prayer room also with these kind of decorations.
Yes, you can take it forward. You can do it. You can arrange on the flower pots also. You can do the wall decoration out of this. You can do
It is
lots
so
of.
it is so engrossing that my son's grandmother also is enjoying.
Yes, I can see, ma'am. She's putting lot of efforts making the flower. Very nice.
Totally.
Every mother.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
The grandmother also, she's putting lot of efforts making the flower.
She's the one putting efforts. I'm just cutting around.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can see that. I'm very happy to see her.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And if anyone is having doubt, you can solve your query now regarding the workshop. If you're having any doubt or any query, if you want to ask. Okay. So this was all about our session for the Toran. I hope you all enjoyed this workshop. And happy Diwali, everyone from the Ajumeeta Dai School family. I wish everyone a very happy Diwali and safe and healthy Diwali.
Thank you and wish you the same, ma'am.
Okay.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Every mothers, I request you all to show me your thumbs up if you enjoyed the workshop. Show your 2 thumbs up so we can click the beautiful pictures of yours, everyone. Can show me a 2 thumbs up if you enjoyed a lot, and you can show me 1 thumbs up also if you enjoyed a little. Okay, not an issue. So just show me 2 thumbs up if you enjoyed a workshop with me.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have 3.
We have 4. We have 4.
Okay. Compliment, ma'am. Compliment. Thank you. Okay. Thank you everyone for participating in this workshop and making it a wonderful event. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, we can leave now, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the little ones also a very happy Diwali.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you all. Everyone, nice to meet you all.
Ma'am, can
Please.
Yes, tell me, who is this?
can we get this page?
Ma'am, you have to contact with the admin department to get the video, ma'am. Surely they will give you for learning it. You need the video for flowers, I think. You have written in the message also.
Yeah. Because flowers for me, a little bit doubt is there. So I want to continue. Now my son is disturbing me. I can't
Okay,
able to do. So
Okay, no.
afterwards,
So definitely, ma'am, you can arrange a video from the admin department. You have to contact with the admin department. You will surely get the video, ma'am, from there.
happy Diwali.
Thank